Well, happy holidays, everyone. I hope you're ready for another bridge tip. Today, we're going to talk about combining your chances. When you combine your chances, you actually give yourself a little bit of an edge, and it really helps to increase your chances of making a hand. Let's see what that means. Let's take a look at a first example. This one was provided by a very fine player and a wonderful teacher, Richard Pavlicek. And most good declarers, instead of having all of their eggs in one basket, as we say, they will combine their options for optimum play. What does that mean? For instance, maybe there are two finesses that we can take for a hand, and we have to decide which one we should take. Can you afford to take one, and if it fails, do you have the timing to take the other one? Here we go again. Plan, plan, plan. I always tell you this every bridge lesson. Planning for this takes time, and you may need to make this plan on which finesse to take first when at trick one. Trick one is a very important trick. So if we have a chance to combine our chances, we want to look for the line that will take advantage of as many chances as possible. In case one of them doesn't work, we can maybe still take the other one. So let's take a look at this example. Here, the auction has gone one diamond by North, South bid a no trump, North raised to 2, and South has a really good club suit and extra value, so bid 3 no trump. And the lead is the 6 of hearts. All right, so we've got the opening lead, which is 4th best here, 4th best heart. And we have to hold our breath as we're looking to play and hope that they led from the king and play small from the dummy. There's no other way around it in order to score, hopefully score a queen of hearts. Okay, so let's analyze this. We have to count our sure tricks. We have 5 clubs, and if we duck the first heart, we have 2, that's 7, and 1 diamond is 8. Okay, so where are you going to get the 9th trick from? There's a couple possibilities. You can take a diamond finesse, right? We have the ace queen of diamonds, and many times it's right to take the diamond finesse. You have the ace queen. And we have another finesse, okay? The diamond finesse is 50%, and playing up to the king of spades and hoping that the ace is on side, as we say, is also 50%. So there's 2 finesses, 2 options. The diamond finesse and playing up to the king of spades, which I'm telling you is also considered like a finesse. So which one? You should try both and combine your chances. But which one first? Well, it's about staying alive, staying alive. If you take the diamond finesse first and it loses, as it does in this case, all right, then for sure they're going to be able to cash the ace of spades. So what you should do first is to try the spade first. If the spade is on side, then you don't have to worry about taking the diamond finesse. You combine your chances. So you want to get 9 tricks. So all you need is your 5 clubs, your 2 hearts are 7, your 1 diamond is 8, and the 1 spade if it's on side. Now, if the king loses to the ace, you still have timing to come back and take the diamond hook. So stay alive, do the correct one first. In this particular case, it happens to be that the spade is on side. All right, now that we gave you the easy one because it was right in front of you, we're going to have you make your own plan and not see all the hands. Let's take a look at the auction on this one. South opened a spade, and North has a nice spade raise and bid 2. Now, what should South do? Some people might just bid 4 spades, but they made a help suit game try in diamonds. They need help in diamonds. That's what the 3 diamond bid was. So let's go back and look at North. Well, North definitely has help in diamonds because they've got the King Jack third. That's help. And they have a 4th trump. So of course they raised and they bid 4 spades. Okay. So the ace of clubs is led against 4 spades. You play small as declarer. They play small. And you play your 9, and they continue with the king of clubs, which you ruff. Okay, so now you've lost the ace of clubs. What is your line of play? Are you thinking about it? Are you making your plan? Well, let's take a look. There are 2 finesses here that you can take, right? We have a finesse to the jack of diamonds, and we have a finesse to the jack of hearts. That's 2 different finesses. I'm giving you a hint. Think about your line of play now that I've given you a hint. We're going to combine our chances. That's the topic for today. Let's see. All right, I hope you made your plan. So after you ruff the club, what are you going to do? Let's take a look. We have to score 10 tricks. If everything breaks well, we'll have 6 spades and the ace king of hearts and the ace king of diamonds. Okay, but what if trumps do not break well? You as declarer have to look at all the different possibilities before you start trumps, because we want to make sure that we have the communication back and forth as well. So there's 2 finesses, as I said earlier, available, 50% play in each. Which one should you take first? You get an extra chance by taking the heart finesse over the diamond finesse, for if the heart finesse works, okay, doesn't work, then the hearts might break 3-3. And if the hearts break 3-3, then you're going to be able to pitch your losing diamond on the 4th heart. Now, if the hearts don't break 3-3, you can always come back and try the diamond finesse later. But remember, we're combining our chances. So hearts must be attacked before diamonds. Well, if I was declarer after I've roughed the club, I would first cash the ace of hearts. Why would I cash the ace of hearts? Sometimes the stiff queen falls. So I would cash the ace of hearts. Okay. And now start trumps. And I would start from the south hand. Why am I starting from the south hand? Because I want to be able to end up taking a heart finesse. Okay. So I cash the ace of hearts. Then I cash the ace of spades. Right. Ace of hearts, ace of spades. I play a spade to the board. I got the bad news on the ace of spades, and play the king of spades. Now what happens? Now I play a heart finesse, and I put in the jack, and it loses, but I'm okay. It loses. They can cash their spade if they'd like. They can come back a diamond, which they're not going to do. It's going to help me. But let them cash whatever they do now. I'm going to play the 3rd heart, and the hearts for 3-3. And I will go to the board with the diamond to pitch my losing diamond on the 4th heart. It was so easy. So you no longer need the diamond finesse if the hearts break 3-3, which they do in this case. But if they didn't, you would fall back on the diamond finesse. This particular case, it loses, but you don't want to do the diamond finesse first. You need to play on hearts first. It's your best percentage. Okay, so you'll make your contract losing only 3 tricks: 1 spade, 1 heart, and 1 club. No diamonds. Let's take a look at our last example. Okay. South opens 4 spades. This is a normal 4-spade preempt. I would open 4 spades, not 3, not 1, but 4. North has a beautiful, beautiful hand here. They think they might have slam. Wouldn't you think you might have slam? Well, your partner did preempt, so you might not have, they might not have the ace of diamonds. But look how good your hand is. All right, so what are we going to do? We're going to key card and bid 4 no trump. And your partner's going to show you 2 without the queen by bidding 5 hearts. Some people might because they have extra spades. If it were me, when you have extra spades, you're only promising, some people only promise 7. If you have 8 and your partner is asking you about the queen, sometimes you're allowed to show the queen. So you might answer 5 spades showing 2 with the queen. Either way, when your partner sees that you only have 2 without the queen and they have 4 trump and they know you have probably at least 7 for your 4 spade bid, they're going to take the chance that the spade is going to come down. All right, so here you are in 6 spades. Ready? They leave the king of hearts, and per force, of course, you have to win the ace, and you do. How are you going to play this hand? Plan your play. All right, are you thinking? There's 2 different finesses available. Do you see the 2 different finesses? Well, we hope the spades should come home. So we don't have to worry about the spade loser. So we're looking at it. We might have a diamond loser and a club loser. Can we get rid of one of those losers? I know you made your plan correctly because of the last examples. Let's take a look. Okay, this is similar to the first example. There are 2 finesses that are available. Leading up to the king of diamonds is a finesse. People don't think of it that way. They just say, I hope that the ace is on side, but it's still a 50-50 percentage play. And there's the 50-50 club percentage play. If you take the club finesse and it holds, then you're going to get to make an extra trick because you're going to be able to take it again. So you're going to be able to win the club, come back to your hand, take another club and get rid of your losing diamond. Okay. So again, you want to combine your chances. You want to make the best possible play. So after winning the ace of hearts, you're going to play a trump to pull that one little trump. Now you should try the diamond finesse first, because if it loses, you can still fall back on the club finesse. But if you take the club finesse first and it loses, you automatically are going to lose the ace of diamonds. So again, you double your chances of making the slam if you recognize that leading up to the king of diamonds is also finesse, and if you do them in the right order. So 2 chances are better than 1, but here it's important to make sure you take the right chance first for your best opportunity to combine your chances, and there'll be more winning bridge in your future. Happy holidays.